So in this lecture, I want to focus on how you're going to fulfill the order once you will receive the order from your customer. Obviously, I have created one dummy order right here. I'm not going to obviously show the customer address, stuff like that, but I will show you where you will be able to find the address if you need to fulfill the order. So for example, if I click on these three dots right here, this is where it's going to reveal the customer address. Once you will have the customer address, just like I assume you do buy the products from Amazon by yourself as well. So you're going to obviously go in the link for the Amazon listing, which you should have saved obviously inside your notes when you were doing your listing. So you know how you're going to find the item once you need to fulfill the order. As I've shown you, once you do a listing, always save the item inside your notes, the address for the item. So if you need to go back to that specific item, you will know how to find that. So once you will place the order, click on new, this one right here, add a new delivery address. So once you will click on add a new delivery address, you will be able to add the address for the customer as well. Once you will add the order address for the customer, then the Amazon will ship this item directly to your customer address. That's a very simple way to fulfill the order.